spot right there. Beautiful spot right there. Okay. It's a good spot right there too. This is Gate Street that I'm at right now. So we're gonna try to frame this on the other side. So as soon as this one goes by, we're gonna frame it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. To start this video, we're gonna walk down the street. I'll tell you the name of the street in a second, but I have a pretty good view. It goes uphill, and we're gonna follow this downhill. And over on this side, you can see it has an astronaut right there. So we're gonna see what other kind of artwork that we can find. So we'll just step back for 1 second. So, okay. So let's walk down, see what we can see. Yeah, actually, when you go downhill, there's a nice view. It's like kind of a continually nice view. If you saw my last video of Hong Kong, I filmed this kind of cool looking stretch. This is across the Hollywood Road, and I'll show you the crossroad in a minute. What we're going to be doing is to follow this one, so this one can get us across. And we're just going to go straight down this road. This is called Aberdeen Street. So we're going to go down Aberdeen Street. And this is in Central. That's kind of cool artwork right here too. Oops. Vintage store. Okay. So we're just gonna frame this one, and I'm gonna get over to the sidewalk here. Oh, okay. Not bad right there too. Aberdeen, 21 Aberdeen. And Samka Lane, okay. That's a pretty cool spot right there. Just gonna follow this down. And we're just going to keep going down this way. To the left is an alley with some artwork. So, okay. Down here's another street this direction too. It's a pretty cool spot right there. Beautiful spot right there. Okay. It's a good spot right there too. This is Gate Street that I'm at right now. So we're gonna try to frame this on the other side. So as soon as this one goes by, we're gonna frame it. Actually, oh, that's a pretty cool shot right there. Residential, business. Okay. I think I like that shot right there. So we're gonna follow this down to Aberdeen, Go Street. And this place, that apartment looks pretty cool right there too. Okay. Alright, that's pretty cool looking cat. Okay. That's a pretty cool space like that. That's cool. Okay. Dang. I like that building too. One of the things I like about this GoPro is you can capture some really cool angles off buildings. Like that building is awesome looking. Nice balcony right there, another balcony there. Lots of different balconies and just a trim, orange and white trim. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on walking down. Oh, check out this guy. This guy's doing some acrobatic stuff over there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's kind of caught the side of him, but it's like he's practicing something over there. I think he's gonna create a video there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. It's an art space right here. Art gallery. If you're looking for an interesting stop sign in Hong Kong, there it is. Spa. Alright. Frame this shot right here. Frame this one too. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so we're gonna walk down further. Go down this alley. Hong Kong. Alright, so we're gonna keep on walking down here a little bit. See what else we can. That's a pretty cool shot with those steps like that. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Dang, that's cool. So we're gonna dodge across this one, and I'm gonna go all the way down to the tram lines. Is what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's pretty cool right there too. Look at that. And that's the catch of this one too. Here we go. Okay. So we're gonna move down this direction to this alley. Dang. Cool space. Beautiful space. Wow. Look at that. Colorful that is. It's like no activity right now, but it's such a beautiful space. Wow. Ocean Estate Agency, okay. So actually I think we're gonna conclude with the trams at the end. So this one is at 8 minutes. So I guess I'll just I might just conclude it. Yeah, I'll get to the trams. So I'll just show you. Oh, it's deflated. Each space has its own little space, you know, its own owner. And at the end of this, we're going to see the trams, and I just want to show you that, and then we're going to conclude this little stretch of Aberdeen Road, little Thai hut. Okay, so we're gonna frame this one. It's kind of cool. Now we are at this is where the trams are at. So when they come across right there, there's that blue one. We're gonna conclude in this spot actually. This is where we just came down from.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.